this is Mia Fernandez and I'm back to make another video. So in this video, I will be performing a non-locomotor skill, which is the bird dog exercise. So guys, you can also do your bird dog exercise while I am performing and you are watching my video. So without further ado, let's begin exercising! So guys, to create an exercise program on the bird dog series, simply combine all the variation, increasing all the sets and repetitions, for this may improve your back and spine muscles. That's all. Thank you!